Hello, now we continue our first scene. In the last class, I was talking up to the unit number 65. Rodrigo and Iago were discussing about the recent developments. Now Rodrigo is advised by Iago to report this matter to Brabantio, Desdemona's father. And they are going to do several plans in this field. Now what happens? Call up her father, rouse him, make him after poison his delight. Poison his delight, already described. Proclaim him in the street, incense her kinsmen, and though he in a fertile climate dwell, plague him with flies. Plague him with flies means let him get many pieces of sorrows. Not easy to enjoy life. Iago is not ready to allow him to enjoy life in the proper way. Through such a vexation on it lose my some color. Rodrigo, here is the father's house, my lord. Rodrigo pointing out Brabantio's house. Now this is Brabantio's, her father, Desdemona's father's house, my lord. I will call aloud. Iago says, do with like timorous accent, underline timorous accent. Timorous means to show terrifying sound. Underline, now we are now page number, unit number 75. Timorous means terrifying. This is now in the midnight, now action happening. That time Rodrigo is asked to make a big noise. Yes, like a shouting noise. Mind you, this is midnight, people are sleeping. Now Iago recommends, Rodrigo, make a terrifying sound, ho 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 ho, like as if something happened very dangerously now in the street. So Stop Food Brook says, alright, Iago wants Rodrigo to make a noise as if the noise that we make when our house is burned. Look, Stop Food Brook is of the opinion that Shakespeare wanted Iago to talk to Rodrigo to make such a noise that in the midnight would awake everybody, understanding or realizing the fact that something very dangerously happened on the street. Now timorous accent, dire yell, there should be a yell, oh, like that yell should be made. And when night and negligence, the fire is spied in populous cities, that may be the reason Stop Food Brook says, it should be done as if in the case of a populous city area totally burned. Then only Brabantio would come. You know, Brabantio, he's an almost old man. He has only one daughter and living in a peaceful way. Now losing his daughter in the midnight, he thought Desdemona is in the house, sleeping in her bedroom. But Desdemona, like our Jessica in Merchant of Venice, took all the things and went with Lorenzo. In the same way, here Desdemona eloped with Othello without his permission. As I told you, this is happening even our 21st century. Girls or boys, they do not mind parents how much pain they took to bring them up by providing health and physique and education. But all of a sudden in the midnight, they will discard these old parents and go for their present pleasure. This is why You know the story of all old people of the world is like that. You just might have seen Anthony Hopkins. Anthony Hopkins recently obtained 2 Oscar awards. 2 Oscar awards Anthony Hopkins got in this financial year. 2 Oscar awards. His cinema, what is called The Father, showing the miseries and troublesome areas through which old people, mother and father, is going through after 60 or 70 years of old age. This I referred, so many old age homes are there in Kerala even now, though Kerala being to be the very highly literated society in India. High 100% literacy either in Kerala, but our modern people have no time to look after parents, and they keep parents in old age homes, and they share these old people's property, what they have hardly earned, and all these are sufferings given to parents by modern generation. So Anthony Hopkins very elaborately exceeds what the sufferings old people in present century is facing in his world acclaimed movie The Father. The same way, I do remember King Lear, after getting a disease of Alzheimer's, like he made partition, all the properties given to 3 daughters. And really he had been a very able king, but later asking, really not understanding, asking this old king and old man asking, really who am I? Njan vastavathil aara? This old man asking, King Lear asking, but no child can easily understand his voice. The earlier eminent king asking the people, really who am I? In the same way, one day I will reach, another day you will reach, all people will reach this position because old age is an inevitable age where no others can. But remember, you young generation people, never tease and never put your parents into sorrows, because they are present gods in front of your eyes. Even though you cannot do much for them, do not disturb them. Do not tease them. Do not give them sorrows. But they are your eye-opened gods and gave you very good strength to lead a life. But in opposite side, we find many thousands of mothers and fathers terribly shocked within a moment that these girls will be eloping with the boys, without even telling this old man like Brabantio even which milestone he has been bringing her up. Here is her father's house, I will call aloud, do like with timorous Saxon and a dire yell, when by night negligence the fire in spied in populous cities, where in the populous cities, people dominating cities, once there is a fire, all the people will make a yell or a noise. In such a way, Roderigo make a very big noise, so that Brabantio should come outside his house. Roderigo, oh, what a ho, Brabantio, a senior Brabantio, ho, Iago, awake, what ho, Brabantio, awake, thieves and thieves and thieves. Cullen, 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 loudly making a big noise. Iago supporting Roderigo. Both of them are on the road in the midnight, asking, oh, thieves and thieves and thieves and thieves, like, look to your house, your daughter in your bags. Iago telling Brabantio, please look your daughter inside the house or the bags. Probably in the Merchant of Venice, Jessica taking all the golds Shylock, her father, had kept. Her father had collected so much amount from the public by huge interest. Shylock just like Iago has become an synonym of the world. So one day Shylock comes and understands, like Brabantio coming and reporting, oh, lost, my daughter, lost. Oh, lost, my daughter, lost, with shackles lost. He reports means whatever Shylock had collected and kept in the big Alamira, taken by Jessica, his daughter, to elope with Lorenzo. Why, Lorenzo was such a cunning person like Iago. I am ready to marry you, Jessica, don't worry. But your father is a miser, might have collected a huge amount and kept in your locker. You bring gold and gold ornaments and cash and everything in the sack. I will give you fully empty sack. You fill it up and give to me. We will live happily. They are going in the same way, Iago, remembering Lorenzo or Jessica. My dear Brabantio, look to your house, open your cupboards and locker, whether anything lost. Go to your daughter's chamber, bedroom and see whether she is sleeping in there. She might have lost. Oh, thieves, oh, thieves, oh, thieves, like that showering. And now night negligence, oh, thieves, look at your house. Your daughter Desdemona there or not, your bags, oh thieves, oh thieves. Now Brabantio opening the window in the balcony, looking to the street and looking, who are they making the noise here? Who are the people? What problem you have? Asking. Roderigo, what ho? Brabantio, sinner, Brabantio, thieves, Brabantio looking in the window, Brabantio. What is the reason of these terrible summons? Underline summons. Why are you shouting? What is your problem? What do you want? Kya chahe aap log? What are you doing here? This is midnight. People want to sleep. What are you doing here? What are you summoning? What is the matter there? Let me know. Roderigo, Signor, Brabantio, what is the matter here? Roderigo, Signor, is all your family with him? Let me know. All your family members stay and safe. This is not the Corona period. There in 15th century. Are your family members okay? Everybody is there okay? Look, are you okay? Your daughter is okay? Everybody okay? Iago. My lord, are all doors locked? All the house doors locked properly? Why? Therefore, wherefore you ask this? What is the matter you are asking me in this midnight? Zoons, sir, you are robbed. Underline, you are robbed. Iago plainly reporting, my lord, there is no other way but to report you. You are robbed. Somebody has robbed your house. Whatever valuable things you have kept in your house already gone. I am sure you are robbed, my lord. For shame put on your gone. Your heart is burst. I can't say openly what is to be taken in this action. Your heart is now broken, my lord. You have lost half of your soul. Tell me the truth, what really happened, Brabantio asking. Brabantio is unaware of the fact. You tell me fact clearly what happened. Who are you to talk to me like Iago? They are standing in the darkness. Brabantio cannot easily look at their face. But Iago, you are robbed, my lord. Somebody has robbed your house. Half of your soul taken, my lord. Even now, very now, an old black ram. An old black ram. Underline ram. This is not a ram in your mobile or computer. Ram stands for here man. Is equal to male sheep. Stopford Brooke compares this ram to a male sheep. Muttanadu. He compares to a muttanadu. A ram has come to your house. He is tapping now with a white ewe. Underline, this is somewhat sexual. Now, my lord, from your house, one ewe was taken. One ewe means a female sheep. A female. ഒരു കോലാടിനെ നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്നും മോട്ടിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോയി ആരെ ഒരു മുട്ടനാട്. Look, this Eve stands for Desdemona. Ram stands for Othello. Now what are they doing? Arise, as noting that Ram is tapping your white eaves. Arise, arise, awake the snorting citizen with the bell. Not only Brabantio, my lord, let all the citizens of Venice awake, awake, awake. എല്ലാവരും എഴുന്നേറ്റ് പോ. Why? Such an undesirable thing is now happening. Now snorting citizen the bell, else devil will make a grandsire of you arise. What is the matter? Oh, let all the people come with me. Brabantio, you also come with me. Otherwise, within short time, you will become a grandfather. Means what? They are not simply sitting under the tree looking to the starry night. They are enjoying their nuptial night. First night. Within short time they will get a child. That means what? Brabantio, you will become a grandfather unknowingly. Otherwise, follow me. You will become a grandsire. Grandsire means grandfather of you. Arise, I say. Brabantio. What? Have you lost your wits? നിങ്ങളുടെ തലയ്ക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും സംഭവിച്ചു? എന്തെങ്കിലും തലയ്ക്ക് വല്ല വെളിവുണ്ടോ? What are you talking, idiot? Good for nothing, useless, donkey, monkey. Brabantio, like King Lear, is out of control. Idiot, what are you talking? I don't understand. What are you talking, idiot? Good for nothing, useless. Roderigo, most reverend senior, do you know my voice? Within the darkness they are standing. Upstairs, Brabantio looking. Brabantio cannot easily recognize. Then Roderigo asking, Sinner, do you really understand my voice? Can you really recognize my voice? Not I. What are you? Brabantio, not I. എനിക്ക് അങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലായില്ല. What are you? Who are you? What are you means who are you? My name is Roderigo. My name is Roderigo. Idiot, good for nothing, useless. Brabantio now recognized his sound and the man Roderigo. നിന്നോട് ഞാൻ പലപ്പോഴും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലേ, never come to my house. Why are you behind my daughter? I am not to make her marry with you. Get out of my sight. Good for nothing, useless donkey, monkey, irresolute fellow. Get out of my sight. Brabantio recognizing the voice of Roderigo. Roderigo might have gone to Othello, Desdemona's house many times to looking a vision on her, and also might have expressed his vision to marry. But Brabantio does not allow. Brabantio, I have told you many times not to come in front of me. Then why did you come to my house in the midnight? Idiot, useless, good fellow, nothing, irresolute fellow. The worst welcome. I don't welcome you, stupid. I have charged thee not to haunt about my doors. I have told you not to come to my house and knock the door. Then why did you come? Loiter here. Haunt means loiter. ഇവിടൊക്കെ ചുറ്റിപ്പറ്റി നടന്ന് എത്തി നോക്കണ്ടെന്ന് നിന്നോട് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളതല്ലേ. പിന്നെ എന്തിനാ അവിടെ വന്നേ? Why you are coming here? In honest plainness that has had me say my daughter is not for you. I told you, Desdemona is not for you. പിന്നെ എന്തിനാണ്? Why are you coming to my house? Now in the madness being full of supper and distempering draughts upon my malicious bravery, malicious bribery, then distempering, excising, and draughts drink. Even the midnight, going everywhere, drinking too much and coming, standing in front of my gate and making disturbance. എല്ലായിടത്ത് പോയി കുടിച്ച് ലക്ക് കിട്ടി ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ബഹളനക്കാൻ. Who has given you right? Idiot. I don't want to see your face. Get out. To start my quiet. You are now has spoiled my calmness. Quiet. ശാന്തമായി ഉറങ്ങുന്ന എന്നെ നീ എന്തിനാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ അലസോരപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത്? Get out. Quiet. My quietness is now ratified. Defy my quiet. Disturbs my quietness. Rodrigo, sir, നല്ലൊരു കാര്യം പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി വന്നാണ്. Sir. Prebancio, but thou must needs be sure, my spirit, my place having the power to make this bitter to thee. You please remember, I have a power to give orders to kill you. Get out of my sight. I have a spirit, my spirit courage, and my place I have a position, and I have a power to make this bitter, make you obey, make bitter, make obey you. Then means what? You should get out of my sight. You should go out of my sight. Otherwise, I will use my power. Rodrigo, patience, good my sir. Patience. You listen to us very carefully. Prebancio, what tell thou to me for robbing? You are talking about robbers and robbing. What problem to my house? This is Venice. ये तो पावर्टी है, दो डाकू नहीं आएगा. This is Venice. Poverty people have a tendency that they are in the village and they don't have thieves. Here in the sense, oh, what you are talking about my house and robbery? Mind you, we are living in the Venice. And here there are no thieves at all. ये तो Venice है. तो robbing, this is Venice. My house is not Garage, underline Garage. It is, my house is not an isolated house in a meadow, on a field, where robbers can easily come and loot me. I am in the middle of Venice. I am living in the heart city of poverty. Nobody would touch me. Nobody would come to my house to steal anything. Oh, patience, garage means lone house, isolated house. Now we reached 105 unit. Rodrigo, most grave Prebancio, most grave here, more venerable Prebancio, in sunshine pure that I come to you, in circle and pure means in the honest situation, I come to you in the honest situation. Never disbelieve me. I am very simple man. I want to talk to you. Iago, zones. Now Iago, in between Prebancio and Rodrigo, gets inside the talk. He interrupts. Zones, sir, you are one of those that will not serve God if the devil bid you, because we come to do you service. Underline, do you service. Iago telling, sir, not to dishonest, sir. We came here to inform you a matter, that we want to do a service to you, my lord. Where God and devil cannot save you. But now happened, we come here to serve you. You think we are ruffians? We are Rodrigo and Iago. You think we are ruffians? In the midnight coming in front of your house with alcohol, talking anything? No, there is a serious matter to communicate to you. That is why we come to you. Do your service. We are not ruffians. You have all your daughter covered with a Barbie horse. Your daughter now, I should tell you, your daughter now covered with a Barbary horse. Barbary horse means Arab horse. He is elaboratively, figuratively discussing the matter in order to make Bribhanshu understand your daughter. Last time compared to Eve, compared to Ram in the here, now your daughter covered. Covered means embraced. നിങ്ങളുടെ പാവം സുന്ദരമായ പ്രൈം റോസ് പോലെയുള്ള ഇന്നസെൻ്റ് ഡെസ്റ്റിമോണ പെൺകുട്ടി ഇന്ന് വലയം ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ട് കിടക്കുകയാണ്. ആരാൽ? ബാർബറി ഹോഴ്സ്, എ ഹോഴ്സ് ബൈ എ അറേബ്യൻ lands. You will have your nephews nigh to you. You will get a lot of nephews. In recent future, you will have your nephews nigh to you. You will have a course years for cousins. Lot of course years and nephews you will get in future with some horse and diabolic powers. And genetics of the Germans, relatives, Germans, and genetics, Spanish horses. It is a figuratively bombastic way of explanation. Mind you, Bribhanshu, your daughter is taken by a horse like a man. After their marriage, now they are enjoying first night, and after some time, you will get some nephews and nieces, where those people will be compared to animals' habit, because Othello is a black Moorish man with a thick-lipped nature, has no culture at all. What profane wretch art thou? ഒരുത്തനെ എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി. നീ ആരടാ ഇരുട്ടത്ത് നിൽക്കണോ? ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കടന്നു നിൽക്കടാ. Who are you? Who art you that I don't understand you? Iago, I am once that come to tell you, your daughter and the more now making the beast with 2 bags. Underline, that is very important. Ardent edition gives a different interpretation. Stopford Brooke has given 2 important interpretation. Underline are now. Iago telling, yeah, my lord, I am here to inform you. Now, मैं तो इधर आ गया, तुम्हें एक बातचीत करना है. मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. क्या? I want to talk to you one thing. Your daughter and the Moor, who is the Moor? Othello, are now making the beast with 2 bags. It has 2 important inner meanings. They are now having 2 bags. They are now having sexual relation. In the first night of their marriage, they are now making the beast with 2 bags. In the second meaning, the first animal making the second animal impregnating with some life, and that means later Desdemona would deliver some beast in future. So means what? You are simply sleeping in your house. Your daughter now enjoying with the Moor, and their consequence you will have to face. You are of a noble birth, but your offspring's children, grandchildren will be like beasts after their copulation, after their sexual relation. Bribhanshu, thou art a villain. You are talking too much. You are a villain. Iago says, you are a senator. Simply telling, it is just like a rhyme scheme. You are a villain, talk like this. You are a senator. Bribhanshu, this thou shalt answer, I know thee, Roderigo. I don't find his face. Roderigo, I know you very much. You will have to answer for this disturbance. Thou shalt answer me. ഇതിനൊക്കെ നീ മറുപടി പറയേണ്ടി വരും. ഈ അസമയത്തുള്ള ഈ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടാക്കുന്നതിലെ റൊഡരിഗോ, you will have to answer me. This is what is happening. These lines now we stop and we go to the other class by line number 120 in the next class. Till that moment, goodbye.